If you're planning a factory visit in China, this guide can save you from costly mistakes. Let's start with what you should do first. Always begin your visit from the office. Check the company name, business license, and export experience. Ask how many years they have been in business and which countries they export to. This step helps you verify if the supplier is real and experienced. After that, move to the production area. Observe the machines, number of workers, and workflow. Ask yourself, does this factory have the capacity to handle your order? A small workshop cannot handle large quantity orders. Next, focus on quality control. Check raw materials, production process, and finished goods. Look closely at packaging as well. Good factories pay attention to small details. Now let's talk about what you should not do. Do not rely only on samples. Samples are often better than actual production. Do not trust everything the supplier says without verification. And never ignore small defects. Small problems can become big losses in bulk orders. Now, how do you analyze a factory professionally? Check consistency. Are all products uniform in quality? Check organization. Is the factory clean and well managed? Check communication. Are they clear, confident, and transparent in answers? And finally, compare at least 2 or 3 factories before making a decision. A good factory visit is not about what they say, it is about what you observe. Details will always reveal the truth. You are watching Learn Chinese with Abdul, and this is Business Chinese series. Like this video and share it with anyone planning to visit factories in China.